Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to link your driver's license to Samsung Wallet in 2025. The first thing you need to do is launch the Samsung Wallet app from your home screen or app drawer. The next thing you're going to do is from the main screen, select Add ID. It may also say Add Driver's License, so it could be one of the two. Then you click on it, and the next thing you're going to do is to select driver's license. Then you choose your country or state which is supported and tap continue. Next, you are to place your physical driver's license in the frame and allow the app to scan both the front and the back. Once it has done that, you have to follow the on-screen prompts to take a selfie for facial verification. This is required for security. Next, you have to review the details, agree to terms, and tap Save to Samsung Wallet. Now your license will appear in Samsung Wallet. Simply tap to show it when needed. It's important for you to note that this information only works in select countries. This steps is for Samsung Wallet, but this only works in select countries like USA, UK, Canada, and Australia. Also, there are phone requirements. You must have a Samsung Galaxy device running One UI 7.0 Plus. And some regions require extra verification like a PIN or Samsung Pass. These steps have been verified against the latest Samsung Wallet version 5.3 Plus, and it matches the current government ID integration policies. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more Samsung Wallet tips. See you in the next video.